Wilson. I'm the manager here at Quick Lane in Lawrence. I just want to let you know that we are open. We have moved from our old Quick Lane to this new facility, which is across the street from our old facility on 23rd Street. We have tripled our capacity and we're excited to take on the growing business here in Lawrence. We specialize in basic maintenance on any vehicle, so tires, brakes, oil and filter, batteries and alignments. Best part, no appointments necessary. Give us a call or just stop by, and always, thank you for your business.